Hi everyone, Mahesh here. It's been a long time since I traveled, and today we are going to a mountain. It's called Nui Chuach, and it's about 100 kilometers from where I live, from Saigon. And it's a hiking area. Now time is 4 a.m. So you're going to start at 4 a.m. from Ho Chi Minh City. I'll show you how everything goes. Stay tuned. More stuff coming. And subscribe if you haven't yet. Hey guys, breakfast time. We're having pho. It's a pho place. It's 24/7 actually. Our friends are here. I'll show you the restaurants pretty soon. Looks so good. So after an hour of driving, we are in this beautiful coffee shop. Everybody's here. There is Albert Einstein and stuff. And then I'm having Cafe Sida. It's the Vietnamese coffee. This is the morning energy actually. It's coffee, iced milk coffee. Super good. Taste test. When it hits you, man, that's when life becomes beautiful. Alright guys, so this is the second coffee of the day. So you move this, you remove this one here and keep it. So after we mix it nicely, it becomes kind of a brown color for this elixir of life. See? Look at that. So good. Get to Vietnam. Don't let people do that.
This is my favorite.
Look at that. So that's how you warm up before the hike. There you go. Cool stuff. Let's see. Camera looks so nice. It's very sunny. Got a lot of natural light on this thing. Yeah, this is fun. Look at that. These are not like the easy steps you find. These are, well, naturally made steps. Pretty cool. Don't fall down. Look at that. Some big ass rocks. Yeah, Matt is there. Beautiful. I'm sweating. Look behind me. You could see the way. That's where we're going to climb up now. Look at that. Climbing up. Going up and up and up. Looks nice. Look. Yeah, it's not that easy actually. Almost there. Yeah, I'm sweating. But this one we are hiking is the second highest in the south of Vietnam. So yeah, not that easy, but not that hard either. But look, I'm loving it. It's through the forest. Like there are no steps or anything. You make your way. Better to hike when it's not raining, because this could get really slippery. But yeah, I'm loving this. Now I'm deep inside. Look around me. Look around me like I'm in the middle of a big ass forest. So cool. It's really sunny, so I don't know how the lighting is gonna be. But look, you don't see anything behind me than the grass and the leaves. Sun here. See, it's dark. Look at that. It'll be a nice place to camp here. Look at the sweat. Oh my god. That's a good ass workout. Right there. Cool stuff. You see, all of them have actually sweated like a pig. Now I'm getting there. Almost up there. Been climbing maybe for an hour now. Usually it says it takes 3 hours. But yeah, We are there a bit earlier than planned, and definitely it's challenging. It's not that comfy, you know, chilling on the beach kind of activity, but yeah, it's definitely worth it. So yeah, we're almost there. Look at me, I'm so tired. Maybe like 3 more minutes of hike, but now look at this place. Bamboos and so peaceful actually. I think people could camp here. This looks really nice. Probably on the next trip we'll bring some tents. I saw some snakes, so that's not a good idea. That's not that calling, but let's see. But yeah, let's go. Look, here we are. Finally, it shows here. It'll be the other way around. It says 837 meters. Chua Chan. Nice, happy. And then on the side, these are all super cool. All my friends are there. Cool.
Nice.
We did it.
Beautiful.
Good
Beautiful,
job.
bro.
Look at the view from the top. So I'm standing up here. Hello, son. Look at that. Sun here. So yeah, a bit shivering because I'm standing on top of the shit, and then everybody's there. This is nice. This is nice. This is it. This is the final stop. Look. I don't know how beautiful you could see it on the camera, but this is amazing. It's absolutely worth it. It took around 3 hours to climb up. And this is the top peak where people usually take photos. And then, if you really don't want to hike, you can actually take the cable car from the pagoda. I'll put the description, put that link in the description too. But if you want to hike up, you don't go to the pagoda, there's another place to go to. Then from there, you walk up through this, then you walk up from there, and you get here. Beautiful, worth it, 3 hours from Saigon. Check it out. So we finished our pagoda, and we're going on this, I don't know, it's a truck taxi, if you can call that.
It's a truck.
It's a truck. What is it? A truck and a taxi too. Look, all my people are here. Son, Johnny Depp. Everybody here, met here.
No. Johnny's into a lot of stuff.
Everybody's here, and this thing is actually amazing. Look, it's a truck. It's a small lorry, and then people get to travel. So we hiked up, and we started the hike somewhere a bit far away from here. So now we're going back to we left our motorbikes on this thing. Look at that, it's really beautiful. The entrance is so beautiful. So fun, so much fun. And this guy is driving fast.
Really
This guy is driving really fast.
Just move.
Look at my head. Like, woo, 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 woo. Huh?
They don't fall.
Yeah, my glasses.
And Miss Joke at the right.